Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this American set. This is a cape and it's 100% polyester. Show you what it looks like. There you go, you just put this around your back, tie it up. You have a cape. It also comes with American sunglasses. There you go, you can see the flag on the sunglasses. And then the last thing that it comes with is a headband. How you open this? This is the headband. It has all the American flag colors on it. Red, white, and blue. I would recommend this if you're having a 4th of July party. I'll be wearing this summer for sure. Here you can see my mom wearing the cape, the sunglasses, and the headband. As you can see, she looks 4th of July ready.